Looking for the right anti-aging serum for those wrinkles and fine lines? Prepare it at home with this DIY. Today's video will discuss how to make homemade anti-aging collagen serum at home. Homemade anti-aging serum. You will need 4 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 3 capsules vitamin E, 2 tablespoons rose water, 5 drops essential oil, 1 tablespoon glycerin. How to prepare it? Scrape aloe vera gel from the plant, and add it to a bowl. Now add vitamin E capsules to the bowl. Next, add rose water, and mix well. Add glycerin, and mix it again. Lastly, add 5 drops of essential oil. Store this anti-aging serum in a clean, airtight container. Best time to use anti-aging serum? The best time to use this serum is before you go to bed. Make sure you wash your face before using it. Take 2 to 3 drops of this serum, and then massage it all over your face. This anti-aging serum has some amazing benefits for your skin as it is packed with natural ingredients. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.